Welcome back to another video, guys. I already uploaded a video related HTML, that is HTML 0. Please watch this video. Before you watching this video, guys, you really have to download this app called HTML editor and viewer. Then you will dive into this video. So go for it. I will provide a link in the description so you can easily go through it. So let's start the video. Guys, this is your HTML part 1. I don't want to talk about HTML, what is HTML, how to become web developer, how many things are required to become a web developer. You probably have question what is HTML and why do we learn HTML. So today I will be clearing your doubt right now in this video. I must say, if you new here, learn from your younger brother because it's simple and free. So let's just get into the video.
And then you'll die.
Guys, you want to become a web developer, you have to learn that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. JavaScript we do not talk about later. Considering our video, I am just talking about HTML and CSS. What is HTML? You probably know most websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and many more. You're gonna notice that there is a column, separate line, testing, styling, all over there. So this is called website designing and website developing. We are going to learn that one. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. This is not a programming language, this is markup language. CSS is just say styling. The difference between HTML and CSS is that when we talk about HTML is like let's consider one example. Take a human body. Entire whole outer covering of body, that is flesh and skin, is like CSS, and the inner part like bones are HTML. This is why we do not talk about HTML and CSS. Both are very important, and JavaScript we do not talk about later. HTML allows you to add paragraph, list, lanes, quote. CSS allows you to do paint, style, layout. So guys, HTML is content of head tag, title tag, body tag, paragraph tag and many more tags. We do not talk about in next our video. Our next video is related on tags. So guys, that's it for today. In later video we do not talk about tags and HTML.